In this video, we will go over adding points to the map. Elements that are represented by points include heads, emitters, micro-sprays, controllers, backflow preventers, and valves. If you need to map out an irrigation part that is not on that list, you can use the custom point option. Let's start by adding a controller. Tap on the small point button in the upper right and you will notice that a crosshair icon will display at the center of the map with a green button below it that says Confirm Point. Move the map until the location you would like to add the controller is directly at the center of the crosshair, and click Confirm Point. If you prefer to ignore the crosshair and just simply tap on the map where you would like to add the controller, you can do this as well. Once you add the controller to the map, a pop-up form will appear on your screen which gives you several fields that you can fill in. First, click on the drop-down beneath irrigation type and select controller. Then, you can add a label to the controller that will appear on the map, the part type which can be the model or brand of controller, and any other notes you may have. Click on Done, and it will save the controller to the map. Next, we will do this same process for the shut-off valve, backflow preventer, and valve boxes. Now let's add some rotor heads. Before this though, it is important to mention that there is a second way to map out heads, in which they are directly assigned as sub-elements to a zone element. This will be demonstrated in section 13. The option that we are about to demonstrate here can be used if you want to map out heads, but do not want to indicate the general area of the entire zone as an additional element. This is an important consideration to make, and should be thought about before you start your mapping process. Choosing which option is best for you is really a matter of preference, how you like your maps to look, and your specific use case. Zone 1 on this system has 4 rotor heads. We will do the exact same process we did before with the other points that we added. Move the map until the crosshair icon is over your desired location and click on Confirm Point. Select rotor head from the drop-down and fill in any information that you would like to document about the rotor head. The label field can be whatever you would like, but assigning your zone number here will probably be most useful. You can then customize the color of the head and click Done to add it to the map. Notice that when you go to add an additional point, the pop-up form will remember the same information about the last point. The pop-up forms are designed like this to reduce double entry, since the majority of points within a system are usually heads that carry over similar information in the pop-up forms. In the next video, we will go over adding a line to the map.